Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a and let me share with you how to clear the browser. So let's begin with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used. So I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and here tap on Delete Browsing Data. So here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 7 weeks or even all time, so it's up to you. And then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options. And here we've got them. So in advanced, we've got tabs again, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, just make sure that everything is marked. I mean, that the option that we'd like to remove is marked. I will remove everything. Here we can change the time range again. We have to do it separately. So just choose the time and then tap on delete data. Tap on delete, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page. We've got this information, and it means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.